Hello and welcome back to my channel. I was able to obtain some purple mustard seeds. I have been watching so many people with these purple mustard seeds and it just looks so good. It looks like it would just be so healthy and so delicious, and so I decided that I was going to try some for my family as well. And so I also, along with that, decided that I was going to try some of the biodegradable bags. The bundle that I bought came in roughly 400 bags, and it was only like $13, $14, okay? And so it looks like 3 sizes. So this one is the largest, and then this one is a little bit thinner, and then this one is the small size, okay? So they are the perfect size to start some seed in. So I've gone ahead and used one of the small bags to start some purple mustard seed in, and I put 2 seeds in each of these bags, and this is the largest bag here. And so from the reviews that I have seen, most of the people who have used these bags are saying that they don't believe they're biodegradable. And therefore they don't put them into the ground, and the majority are saying that it slowed down the process of growing their plants. And so what they did was just remove the bag. The material is durable, yet you're able to tear it down the side just to remove your plant once it starts to grow, and then just put it in the dirt if you so prefer. And then I had a few people that I ran into on video who said, you know, it worked fine. They had no problem. The roots actually grew through the bag. So you just kind of have to make your own executive decision on that, on whether you're going to put it in the ground, into your garden, put it in a pot, or if you're just going to remove this bag and go from there. I think what I'm going to do is remove the bag and then replant it into a larger pot, because I want to do this particular green in pots instead of putting them into one of my beds. All right, and so let me show you how you can easily load these with soil. Oh, and another thing, one person said to turn it inside out, and that also made it easier to load. The first 2 I did without turning them inside out, so this one I'll do with turning it inside out. This is the medium size bag, and if you're using a spade or a small shovel, then it's pretty simple to get the soil into the bag. All right, and so I'm going to do the same thing that I did before and place 2 seeds. Well, that one 3 dropped in there, but that's okay, into the bag, and then just leave them to the side so that I can water. All right, and so here are the 3 sizes. All right, so as you can see, this is the larger bag, that is the medium size, and this is the smallest bag. All right, so they are really a perfect size for starting seed, is really what they are. And so this one I can see, you know, allowing the plant to get to, I don't know, maybe that high if the stalk is strong enough to support it. But these will definitely be, you know, very, very starter size, maybe like what you would get from one of the nurseries, like the size of a 4-ounce or something like that, and this may be a little bit bigger. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to take the bags off, and therefore I'm not even concerned with whether it's going to you know, break down or whatever. So I'm just going to remove the bag by just tearing it down this side here. All right, so if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed, and I love this gardening community. I appreciate all the support on my videos that I've made so far of gardening, and so I'm just trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That's I like to set goals for myself, so that's a goal of mine, and we are, you know, at I don't know, maybe close to 880 at this point. So thank you all so much. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys on the next video.